Did you know that your next paycheck could be powered by artificial intelligence? Shocking, right? In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, AI isn't just for sci-fi films or tech giants. It's carving a space in every conceivable industry, setting the stage for unprecedented opportunities. Stick around as we unveil 10 ways to make money using AI that might just reshape your financial future. From healthcare to e-commerce, we're diving deep into strategies both groundbreaking and lucrative. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a tech enthusiast, or just someone curious about the AI revolution, this guide is tailored for you. Let's unlock these game-changing secrets together. Number 1. Algorithmic trading. In the world of finance, speed and precision can translate into millions of dollars. That's where AI shines. Algorithmic trading is one of the primary areas where AI makes a significant impact. Algorithmic trading involves using complex algorithms to predict price changes and trade automatically in response. These algorithms can analyze millions of data points in fractions of a second, far faster than any human. But where does AI come into play? These aren't just basic algorithms, they're often reinforced by machine learning, or ML. ML can identify patterns in large datasets, like stock market trends, that are invisible to the human eye. As the AI continues to learn from new data, it adjusts its trading strategies, becoming more efficient and effective over time. While there's a significant upfront investment in terms of both money and expertise, the potential returns are equally sizable. In essence, you could be making money in your sleep as your AI software identifies profitable trading opportunities and acts on them. But a word of caution: algorithmic trading requires a deep understanding of both finance and technology. It's essential to keep monitoring these algorithms and adjust to market anomalies or unexpected situations that could lead to significant financial losses. Number 2. AI-driven content creation. The content creation industry is enormous, and AI is carving its niche within. From writing articles to generating music, AI is making waves in the creative world. GPT-4, a successor to the model you're interacting with on a regular basis, i.e. GPT-3, brought a paradigm shift in content generation. Several businesses leverage such models to create SEO-optimized articles, ad copies, or even scripts for videos. The appeal is evident: consistent, high-quality content generated quickly and at a scale. This isn't just about cutting costs. AI-driven content can be tailored to specific audiences based on data analysis, making marketing campaigns or blogs more effective. Platforms like JasperDocs and WriteSonic are examples of this in action. However, while AI can handle a significant portion of content generation, the human touch remains irreplaceable in many areas. Emotional depth, nuanced understanding, and certain creative angles will still be better addressed by humans. So if you're planning to monetize AI in content creation, consider a hybrid approach. Use AI to generate the bulk and refine it with a human touch. Number 3. Chatbots and customer service. Customers demand 24/7 support, and chatbots powered by AI are stepping up to meet this challenge. Chatbots are becoming the first line of customer interaction for many businesses. From answering frequently asked questions to assisting in product selection, they enhance customer experience without human intervention. The advantage of AI-driven chatbots over traditional ones is their ability to learn from past interactions. This means the more they interact, the better they become at assisting users. Several platforms, like Tars and MobileMonkey, allow businesses to integrate these AI chatbots into their operations. However, diving into the world of chatbot monetization isn't just about creating a bot. It's about understanding customer pain points, designing solutions for those challenges, and consistently refining the chatbot's algorithm. While chatbots can manage most interactions, it's essential to have an efficient handoff system to human agents for more complex issues. This ensures customer satisfaction and trust in the system. Number 4. Personalized marketing. The days of generic advertisements are dwindling. Enter AI-driven personalized marketing. AI can sift through vast amounts of data, analyzing consumer behavior, preferences, and interactions. This means businesses can provide individual users with tailored content, offers, and ads. Think about platforms like Spotify or Netflix recommending songs or movies. That's AI at work. Companies like Dynamic Yield and Optimizely use AI to offer personalized experiences to users, increasing conversion rates. But as with all things AI, it's not a set-it-and-forget-it endeavor. Monetizing through personalized marketing requires a balance. Over-personalization can creep out users, making them feel their privacy is invaded. Always ensure transparency with your users about how their data is used, and offer them easy opt-out options. Number 5. AI in healthcare. AI's potential in healthcare is vast, from diagnostics to personalized treatment plans. Medical imaging, for example, is undergoing a revolution. AI algorithms can analyze X-rays, MRIs, and other images, identifying issues that might be overlooked by the human eye. Path AI is a company leading in this space, aiming to improve patient outcomes with AI-powered diagnostics. Yet, while the monetization potential in AI-driven healthcare is immense, it's also one of the most sensitive areas. Ensuring accuracy is paramount, as mistakes can have grave consequences. Additionally, ethical considerations and patient data privacy are paramount. If diving into this realm, rigorous testing and adherence to regulations are crucial. Number 6. E-commerce recommendations. E-commerce platforms thrive on suggesting products users might be interested in, and AI is at the heart of these recommendations. Platforms like Amazon or Alibaba use AI to analyze user browser habits, past purchases, and even items left in carts to recommend products. This not only boosts sales, but enhances the user experience, making shopping more personalized and efficient. Tools like View.ai are helping e-commerce businesses leverage AI for better product recommendations. However, it's not just about pushing products. To monetize effectively, understanding consumer behavior and ensuring the AI's recommendations align with their genuine interests is crucial. This prevents users from feeling bombarded by irrelevant product suggestions. Number 7. AI in real estate. The real estate industry is ripe for AI disruption, from property recommendations to price predictions. Platforms can use AI to analyze various factors, such as neighborhood safety, local schools, and market trends, to suggest properties to potential buyers. Companies like Zillow are already integrating AI for more accurate price estimates. Monetizing AI in real estate isn't just about sales. It's about enhancing the entire property buying experience. However, with vast sums of money involved in real estate transactions, ensuring AI predictions and recommendations are accurate and fair is vital. Number 8. AI-driven design and graphics. The world of design is getting an AI makeover. Tools powered by AI can now generate logos, graphics, and even website designs. Platforms like Luca leverage AI to offer logo design based on user preferences. Users input their brand name, industry, and style preferences, and the AI churns out design options. This democratizes design, allowing even those without a design background to get quality graphics. While monetizing AI in design has its appeal, it's essential to remember the value of human creativity. Using AI as a starting point and refining with a human designer's touch might be the best approach. Number 9. Predictive maintenance in manufacturing. Downtime in manufacturing can be expensive. Predictive maintenance using AI aims to prevent that. By analyzing data from machinery, AI can predict when a machine is likely to fail or requires maintenance. This preemptive approach saves businesses money by preventing costly downtimes and extensive repairs. Companies like Spark Cognition are pioneering solutions in this space. To monetize AI and predictive maintenance, one must understand the nuances of the manufacturing industry and the specific challenges faced by businesses. The goal is always to offer value, reduce costs, and enhance efficiency. Number 10. AI in agriculture. Farming is ancient, but it's getting a futuristic twist with AI. From predicting crop yields to analyzing soil health, AI is revolutionizing agriculture. Drones equipped with AI can monitor fields, identifying areas that might need more water or are prone to pests. Companies like Taranis are tapping into this potential. Monetizing AI in agriculture is about more than profit, it's about sustainability and ensuring food security. However, it requires a deep understanding of farming practices and the unique challenges faced in the agriculture sector. And there you have it, folks. 10 sparkling ways AI could be your next big payday. Before you dive into the AI gold rush, remember to wear your tech hats, keep those creative juices flowing, and always be ready for a fun twist in the tale. If you enjoyed our AI-powered journey today, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe for more exhilarating rides into the future. Till next time, keep innovating, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep having fun. Catch you in the next one.